In the mid-1980s, India's automotive landscape was dominated by a few models, with limited options for consumers seeking luxury and performance. Amidst this backdrop, Standard Motor Products of India introduced the Standard 2000 in 1985, aiming to offer an executive car that combined British design with Indian manufacturing. The Standard 2000 was essentially a rebadged version of the Rover SD1, a British luxury car renowned for its sleek design and advanced features. Standard Motor Products acquired the rights and tooling to produce the SD1 in India, envisioning a vehicle that would cater to the aspirations of the Indian elite. The car's aesthetics, characterized by its fastback design and spacious interiors, were expected to resonate with consumers seeking both style and comfort. However, adapting the Rover SD1 for the Indian market presented significant challenges. One of the most critical decisions was replacing the original 2.3-liter and 2.6-liter six-cylinder engines with a locally manufactured 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine from Standard's existing lineup. This engine, originally designed for the Standard Vanguard in the 1940s, was outdated and underpowered for a car of the Standard 2000 size and weight. The mismatch led to sluggish performance, with the car struggling to deliver the expected driving experience. Fuel efficiency, a critical factor for Indian consumers, became a contentious issue for the Standard 2000. The company claimed a mileage of 12 to 13 kmpl, however, real-world performance revealed figures as low as 5 to 6 kmpl. This discrepancy not only strained the wallets of consumers but also led to legal challenges against the company for false advertising. The poor fuel economy further tarnished the car's reputation, making it an impractical choice for daily use. Build quality was another area where the Standard 2000 fell short. Consumers reported issues such as poor fit and finish, rattling parts, and unreliable components. These quality concerns were particularly glaring given the car's premium pricing, leading to dissatisfaction among buyers who expected a superior product. The lack of refinement and durability undermined the car's appeal in a market where reliability was paramount. The combination of these factors led to dismal sales figures for the Standard 2000. Despite its ambitious positioning, the car failed to resonate with its target audience. The high price point, coupled with performance and quality issues, made it an unattractive proposition. As a result, the Standard 2000 remained in production for only a brief period, from 1985 to 1988, with limited units sold during its tenure. The failure of the Standard 2000 had profound implications for Standard Motor Products of India. The company faced financial difficulties due to unsold inventory and the costs associated with the car's development and marketing. The inability to recoup investments from the Standard 2000 project contributed to the eventual shutdown of the company's operations, marking the end of an era in the Indian automotive industry. In retrospect, the Standard 2000 serves as a case study in the challenges of adapting foreign automotive designs for local markets. The misalignment between the car's design and the realities of the Indian market, including consumer expectations and infrastructure limitations, highlighted the importance of thorough market research and product testing. It also underscored the risks associated with overpromising and under-delivering on critical aspects like performance and fuel efficiency. Today, the Standard 2000 is remembered as a bold but flawed attempt to introduce a luxury vehicle to the Indian market. While it failed to achieve commercial success, it remains a part of India's automotive history, reflecting the aspirations and challenges of the industry during the 1980s. The lessons learned from its journey continue to inform automotive strategies in emerging markets, emphasizing the need for alignment between product offerings and local market dynamics.